Welcome back for another video. A little chilly outside this morning. You can probably see the ice on the pond here behind me. Today we're going to go ahead and grab some of these logs that's fallen down across the creek. I want to get them drug up out of there before they cause a problem later on the spring. And so a little bit of work. We're going to use the winch on the mule and see if we can't get those up there to a little easier spot for us to saw up. So I do want to thank everybody for all the support you've given to the channel. I really hope you are enjoying what you're seeing so far. It's been a lot of fun to make these videos for you, and I truly hope that they are helping you in some way. So sharing information like this amongst all of us is really a great thing. And like I said, it's fun to make these videos for you. So thank you for watching ahead of time, okay? Like I said, just a little bit of cool temperatures this morning, but we're going to work through it and get our job done. Let's get on with the video. I'll go ahead and take the trailer off here and we'll have it out of our way. You can see here we've got this big old elm tree that's fallen across the creek, and it's thick in here. We've got some work ahead of us. Probably gonna have to take out some of these small willow trees to be able to drag all this stuff up out of here. I'll tell you what, let's do. Let's start with the chainsaw first. Let's see if we can cut us a path into this thing. What do you think? One thing to mention, guys, I'm getting ready to trim up some of the small brush. And if you're going to trim brush with a chainsaw, always make sure your chain's tight. See how loose that is? When you get into small brush like that, it'll really cause your saw a lot of problems if your chain is loose. So we're going to tighten that up before we go any farther. Give you guys a view of the creek here. That's where we was just sawing. You can probably see the mule in the background. But you can see how this stuff's laid right across the creek here. And again, once the rain and all of the fall leaves start trying to make their way down the creek, all that obstruction creates dams up and along this. So, like I said, it's always a good idea if you have time, clean that stuff up. Let's get a closer look. You can see them behind it. That's a pretty good dam already built in the background. Zoom in for you a little bit. So we're going to try to dig all that stuff out of there. Let's see if we can drag this up out of the creek. heavy. There's one of them. Pretty thick right here. Ooh, this stuff's thick in here. I think we got it, guys. We definitely got that section cleaned up. That looks 100% better. Well, we definitely made some progress there. That looks 1,000 times better than where we started at. Right there's our oak stump. If you remember, we couldn't hardly see that a while ago. Still barely see the mule sitting through the the jungle there. Yeah, that looks a lot better. Now all those leaves and stuff will wash on down. And this will be a pretty section of creek here before too long. Again, the winch on this mule, that is so convenient to be able to drag things forward like that in a controlled situation. And I'm really starting to enjoy this machine. Land conservation, you've already paid for your land. This is not necessarily jobs that anybody wants to have to do, but I don't want this bank to continue to erode, and I've already paid for this ground, so I'm going to keep it as long as I can, right? But and you'll see, I went back and got the sawbuck. I had to have that thing too. So like I said, I'll come back and clean this stuff up later, and a lot of this has got to go to the brush pile. So, and I really do appreciate you guys supporting the channel and watching the videos, and again, I really thank you. I hope you're enjoying them. So we're going to call this one a wrap. I'll see you on the next one, and thanks for watching.